Check out this epoxy sample board that we made mimicking black Galaxy granite. Learn right now step by step. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Hey guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to make old surfaces or even new surfaces look like natural stone. We love the look of black Galaxy granite, and we're going to show you the easy steps to make epoxy look like stone. Let's get into it. Making black Galaxy is simple. We're starting with MDF. It's been painted with black, paint and primer in one. We're going to sand the surface with 220 grit, and then we're going to make this thing look like black Galaxy right now. Okay, I have our clear epoxy. If you want to learn how to mix our Stone Coat Countertop epoxy, go watch that video anytime. We're going to add our silver glitter to our clear epoxy. We're going to add this to the surface, and you're going to be amazed at what happens.
We'll use our 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel to spread the epoxy. We'll remove loose bristles from our chop brush and then chop the surface. We'll brush the edges out using that same brush and then torch the air out of the epoxy. We'll wait a couple of minutes between each time we torch it until it's crystal clear.
That was easy, that was fun, and best of all, it's repeatable. I'm going to get these similar results every single time. By substituting more or less glitter, I can make this effect more dramatic or more subtle, whatever you prefer. You can also change up, mix and match the different color glitters that we have, as well as whatever you paint your surface to create a custom design exactly how you want it. Visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com, and until next time, we'll see you on the next video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.